Hello and welcome to the session about SUSE Package Hub. My name is Wolfgang Engel and I'm the project manager for SUSE Package Hub. I'm telling you in this session something about providing open source enterprise ready packages for your enterprise server installations. So first of all, I will just talk about some motivation behind SUSE Package Hub, why SUSE basically is doing this. So our main focus is the need of our customers. So for example, if you install the SUSE Linux Enterprise Server, then you already get some or many packages delivered onto your server system. But probably there are some software packages missing that you like to use. And you might experience also the huge open source universe. So that means you will figure out that there are a lot of more software available to Linux systems. But the issue here is that on an enterprise system you don't want to install any software from any source. So to solve this issue, we were building up SUSE Package Hub. So the issues we are trying to solve is basically where to get additional software. So basically you could, as I mentioned, get software anywhere from the internet. But is it safe to install? You probably don't know. There's another source, the Open Build Service. I will talk about it a little bit later, which provides also open source software for your SUSE Linux Enterprise system. But still there's an open question, is it compatible? You don't really know. And there's also another option. If you are an experienced Linux user, you want to probably build it from source. So you install all the tool chain for compiling software. And when you just make install, you also probably not sure what really happens on your system. Does it probably break your supportability? These are all questions that needs to be solved and needs to be answered. And fortunately, these questions are all answered with SUSE Package Hub. So since this is SUSE Package Hub is a community maintained project, there's no commercial support from SUSE. So which means the packages are available for downloading and installing, but SUSE can't take the effort to support any package in Package Hub. But we make sure that there are policies and checks to protect your investment in SUSE support services. So that means that basically when you install a software package from SUSE Package Hub, the supportability still is given on your SUSE Linux Enterprise installation. And we also made the effort to make software packages easily available for your systems. So we basically tried to integrate Package Hub into the common SUSE software installation workflow. I will come to that in a minute. And also the migration from OpenSUSE Leap, which is the open source community Linux distribution, to SUSE Linux Enterprise Server is a lot easier using Package Hub because it contains basically the same packages or almost the same packages that are available on the OpenSUSE Leap distribution. So let's take a look how the usual workflow is for installing packages on your SUSE Linux Enterprise Server. So you have basically access to additional modules and extensions which you can activate with either SUSE Connect, YaST. And most of them are free of charge. Only a few of them need to be purchased, so you will receive a registration code for activating them. So for example, there's additional software for containers module, or there's additional software for public cloud, desktop applications, or cloud application platform tools. These are all software modules that are available free of charge to your SUSE Linux Enterprise Server. So with SUSE Package Hub, we followed the same way of making these software available for you. So basically, we added Package Hub as an additional module which you can activate free of charge in addition to your SUSE Linux Enterprise Server installation. And the software packages containing from desktop applications to server applications. So I will show you also how to bring new server or open source software applications to Package Hub. Because the open source community is mainly about contribution. So every contribution counts. You don't have to be a developer or a package maintainer. You basically can also be a contributor by translating websites. But in our case, contributing means being part of the community inside the Open Build service. The Open Build service is a framework for building packages for many distributions, not only OpenSUSE and not only SUSE Linux Enterprise Server and desktop. Open Build Service also provides the ability to build packages for Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, and these packages are built from one source. And there's a lot, or there's a great community behind the packages there. So every software package there needs to be maintained by some people. And already thousands of packages are built today for the SUSE Linux Enterprise Server. So I encourage you to try it out at buildopensuse.org, create an account, and you will find many, many packages for SUSE Linux Enterprise Server. But this is only half of the story, because it's not only about building the packages, it's always also about how to get the packages available and how to get packages into SUSE Package Hub. So there's a basic workflow for integrating packages in Package Hub and into your SUSE Linux Enterprise installation. So basically you can take any source that is available and you put this source into the Open Build service. And there it will be reviewed. This is a very important process because every software needs to be reviewed so that on a code level that it doesn't harm any system, and reviewed if it's suitable to run on, for example, in this example, it's OpenSUSE Leap distribution, because Package Hub fetches basically the packages from OpenSUSE Leap distribution, but also benefits from the review process. So there's to make sure that there's some, let's call it quality standard and policies and checks applied to any software that is put into OpenSUSE Leap and therefore put into SUSE Package Hub. So you could become a maintainer, a packager, or someone who is just requesting a package to put there. Because the nice thing about it is that you can join the efforts. every package that probably is put into SUSE Package Hub is also available to any other customer. So the work is done once and many more people are benefiting from it. So if you want to see or have more information about SUSE Package Hub and get a full list of all packages that are available for Package Hub for SUSE Linux Enterprise Server, check out packagehubsuse.com. These are tons of packages, so probably there's already a package for you're interested in. If not, you can also drop us a mail at packagehub@suse.com. We are trying to help you on our best effort base and enable you to not either use Package Hub, but also to contribute to a wider audience, the community. If you have any questions, please use the chat to direct any questions to me. I will answer them, or as I said, you can write an email at packagehub@suse.com. So thank you for your attending and have a great day.